right, let's get to our next vocab section. Our first word is tyrant. Tyrant is someone who has absolute power. They can be cruel and power hungry. So they can be someone who just tries to take power, takes over the military, wants power for themselves. But also sometimes they can actually try to take power and try to help people. There were in many cases in the Greek city-states tyrants who came in and took power and then tried to give more rights to the people. It has happened in the past. The only problem is if you have a tyrant who's bad, no one can stop that person because they're on top of power and no one can vote them out. You have to have like a revolution or a rebellion to get rid of them. So tyrants are someone who has absolute power or 100% power and can make all the decisions. Democratic, giving power to the people. And some governments give more power to the people than others. If we're looking at democratic generally means you probably think all the people can vote for their leaders. In this time period, when we get to Greece, we're going to see that they're democratic, but it's a limited democracy. Just men with land can vote. It gets it down to about like maybe 20% of the population can actually vote for leaders or less. Okay? So, democratic means power to the people. It can mean everyone can vote, but sometimes there's limited democracies as well. All right, oligarchy. Rule by the few. A few powerful people on top. Usually a few powerful people or a few powerful families with money are in charge. The oligarchy we're going to see in Sparta is a military oligarchy, where the generals who ran the military were running the city-state completely. So it was a military city-state. They were in charge. Again, oligarchy means just a few people are in charge. Different than a tyrant who's one person. There's kind of like a group of like 4, 5, 6, 7 people who are running everything. And that is an oligarchy. All right, that's our next vocab words. Let's move ahead.